Okay. Oh hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to your today's chemistry session. And guys, this class is going to be super important because we are in the mock series, you know that, and this is the third mock paper for chemistry for your term 1 exam, and exams are quite near now. So I hope that your excitement and your anxiety level to some extent is also equally high, right? So make sure that you stay connected till the very end in the session. So we're gonna have a lot of questions. Just analyze yourself. You will be getting a total of 18 questions in the session, right? And that would be a mix of the normal multiple choice questions plus some assertion reason and also the case based study questions, right? If in case you are new on the channel, then you know what you're supposed to do. You have to subscribe to the channel and yes, hit the like button of the video, and let's get started with your Shilpi Mam. Okay, and guys, one more important information I want to tell you, that is about Vedantu Mega Scholarship Admission Test. Okay, so we are having this scholarship admission test. The registration is absolutely free of cost. So the first thing that comes to your mind, ma'am, are we supposed to pay some registration fee? Then no, not at all. Okay, so that's free of cost. Eligibility simply from 4th grade students to 13th, like if you're preparing for JEE NEET exam, that is what it means. Okay, the type of the exam would be online. You don't have to go anywhere, just you have to sit right at the comfort of your seat and just appear in the exam, and you are gonna get guaranteed scholarship there from minimum 15 to 100%. Okay, so it's like more than 100 plus crore scholarship pool is there. So what you need to do, a link is given in the description box of the video. You just have to go there, and the grand winners will be getting amazing prizes. Okay, so you can just see that on the screen. That's quite alluring. And what would be the pattern of the exam? I will just show you. Paper will contain 3 sections. Okay, that would be having math, general science, and also general mathematics. A total of 50 questions would be there. All of them would be objective type, but there would also be a negative marking. Okay, +4 if your answer goes right, -1 to penalty lagega if your answer goes wrong. So you will also understand the negative marking pattern, how it works, right? The subjects I have told you. Then what you need to do for the registration, link is given in the description box of the video. Again, I repeat, it's also mentioned over here. So you will be able to attempt the test on every Wednesday at 8 p.m. This is gonna start from 17th, matlab it has already started, till 22nd December. Okay, so you're just supposed to log in into the VMSAT website and then just tell me आपको कितना scholarship मिला, and depending on that we can have a settlement on the commission maybe. Just kidding, jokes apart. So yeah, you also need to do registration very carefully, where you are supposed to fill all your details there. Okay, so just recheck them. And one more surprise, Vedantu Ed Fest that started on 13th of November. Jisme we started giving you 50% off on all the courses of Vedantu. Up to 2000 rupees is still active, and today is the last day. Yes. Okay, so today is the last day, and you're actually, I'll just tell you, Vedantu Pro subscription, the crash course, is just available for 750 rupees for all the subjects. Okay, so yeah, the crash course that you used to get for 5000 rupees is now available for just 750, but this will end today only. Okay, like it's only valid up to 11:59 p.m. Uske baad this offer will be just over, and again the prices will increase. So you still have time if in case you think that your term 1 preparation is not sharpened yet. Yeah, for let's say you wanna just take enrollment for your term 2, then also if you get enrollment now, you get plenty of micro courses over there which can help in term 2 as well. So yeah, that is what I wanted to do. I wanted to tell you 50% off is available up to 2000 rupees. this will expire soon, and coupon code to Shilpi Mam ka you guys have already, that is SKA Pro for additional 10% discount. Okay, I guess we all are clear on this. Now the very first question on your screen. Now I will have a look at the chat box. So tell me the answer. Mineral acids react with water. Mineral acids, you know, inorganic acids that we are obtaining from non-living sources. Okay, non-living से जो आपको आती हैं like rocks, mineral, earth crust, the one you synthesize in lab, they react with water. Let's say hydrochloric acid is a mineral acid. What ions would be produced? Hydroxide, hydronium, salt or acid? Everyone in the chat box, meanwhile I'll just have a look at that. Let me see how many of you are giving the answers. Okay, B, I can see Raju Fire has given the answer. Anushka, okay. Yes, Riya, very good. बहुत बढ़िया हाइड्रोनियम आयॉन्स एग्जैक्टली सो यू नो एसिड्स के केस में दिस H and A, this bond is broken. Basically the hydrogen is attached to some any other heteroatom, you can say. So this water is gonna break this bond because it has hydration energy with it, and then we would be getting H plus ions along with that chloride. Now H plus is itna chotu sa in size that it cannot exist individually, independently, becomes unstable, so it clubs with water and forms hydronium ion, right? So what would be the correct answer here? That is option number B, hydronium. The second question, what is the type of the reaction given on the screen? Ammonium chloride with water, you are just doing like आपने सिर्फ water में डाला है, then you can see some heat minus is shown over there. What kind of reaction this is? Displacement, an exothermic reaction, reversible reaction or endothermic reaction? Everybody in the chat box, I'll just have a look at that. Give me a second. Yes. Okay, everybody. I can see mixed answers from A and I cannot see, wait. Okay, I see a lot of exo. Okay, most of you, Fire has given D answer, D option. Just one student, I can see D. Okay, beta dekho, listen to me carefully. Whenever you see this minus heat, I need to change the color of the pen again and again. Okay. Let's keep with this. Dekho, you can see negative heat, so I can take it on left hand side, it can become plus heat on the reactant side. Matlab I can write this reaction like this. Dekho, ammonium chloride, water mein you are adding plus heat, that is giving you NH4Cl. Let's say whatever it is, whatever X it is. Okay, so it means there is absorption of heat energy in the reaction. So would you like to change your answer now? Yes, this minus heat on the reactant side will become plus heat. Iska matlab reactants have absorbed the heat energy. Okay, so wherever there is absorption of heat energy, now what will I call it? An endothermic reaction. Okay, so you need to keep this thing in mind. Whenever there is a reaction, A plus B plus energy they have written and forming C, or let's say they have just written A plus B gives C minus energy या फिर heat, कुछ भी ऐसे लिखा है, this is indicating an endothermic reaction. Okay, it means there's an absorption of heat energy. And exo के case में there is the opposite thing. जैसे if I'm writing A plus B gives C plus some amount of heat, that means there is liberation of heat energy, that would be exo. या फिर I can write it like this, A plus B minus heat is giving me C. This is again exothermic, absorption नहीं, यहाँ release हुआ है, ठीक है. So if heat is released, that would be exo. If it is absorbed, that is endo, right? Very good. Yes, the next question on your screen, which of the following reaction is not balanced? Everybody, yes, the pen is not visible. Yeah. But which of the following reaction is not balanced? Options are on your screen. Easy peasy, this is not difficult at all. Okay, you can do this. Magnesium is reacting with hydrochloric acid and giving you MgCl2. Just check the number of atoms on left hand side and right hand side. Right, so you know in a balanced equation, both the atoms of every element would be like same. All the atoms of every element would be same on both the sides. So this reaction I see 1 magnesium 1, 2 hydrogen 2, 2 Cl, 2 Cl. This is balanced. Second, 2 iron on the left, 2 iron on the right. Okay. 3 into 2, that is 6 hydrogen on the left, only 2 hydrogen on the right. This is not balanced. You don't even need to check the other option. Yes? Okay, and they are also balanced. You can check that. Easy peasy, very easy question. The next one on your screen, that's fourth. Yes, others, that's law of conservation of mass. Exactly. Out of the following reactions, which of these is an exothermic one? Exo, you have to tell. The first reaction is shown, that's combustion of methane basically, and you can see plus 58 kilojoules. This is energy, heat energy that is given off in the reaction, that is released in the reaction. Okay, and in the first one, nitrogen reacts with oxygen and plus 180.5 kilojoule, that is again heat energy that is absorbed during the reaction, है ना. यहाँ पर there is heat का release that we are showing, and in the second there is heat का absorption that we are showing. Okay, so बताओ आप, yes, which of these is exothermic reaction? Only one, है ना. सेकेंड में तो एब्जॉर्प्शन हुआ है, दैट इज एंडो. कर सकते हो ना, एब्जॉर्प्शन मीन्स दैट्स एन एंडो रिएक्शन. यस, वेरी इजी, वेरी इजी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन ऑन द स्क्रीन. In a given reaction, barium hydroxide reacts with ammonium chloride to form product X and Y. You have to identify X and Y. Everybody, that's your favorite reaction, isn't it? DD reaction, DD. I see a lot of A in the answers in the chat box. Very good, very good. So you people are so smart. Yes, that's right. So yeah, if you exchange the ions, barium is having a charge of +2. Okay, hydroxide mein we have 2 OH ions. Now how will you exchange the ions? Ammonium chloride is having 1 ammonium, 1 chloride. So how will you make the product? This 1 barium ion, Ba+2, requires 2 Cl negative, है ना? Then only charge would be balanced. So one product is barium chloride and second one is actually, you can see NH4 plus and OH. That gives us, I need 2 NH4 plus here. Okay, that will be 2 moles of ammonium hydroxide. Clear? Can we do this? Yes, easy peasy, है ना. So you can also balance this reaction. We need 2 moles of like NH4OH we would be getting over there, right? So उसके लिए we need to balance this reaction, 2 NH4Cl. Yeah, that is DD reaction. Exactly. Okay, easy है. The next one, identify A in the given reaction. This is again super easy. A, you are supposed to identify sodium hydroxide CO2. Yes, देखो ये कौन सा रिएक्शन है? If you remember, this NaOH is a base, है ना, and CO2 carbon is a non-metal, and CO2 is like non-metal का oxide, and we know that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, है ना. So that's a neutralization reaction. Acid is reacting with the base. I would be getting salt and water. So we are supposed to identify ki what salt you would be getting, है ना. That would be simply sodium carbonate. कर सकते हो. Another way of doing it, 2 NaOH, 2 sodium, ठीक है. So इसका मतलब 1 NaOH here, 1 NaOH here. So we can also, like, I will show you like this, and 1 CO2 is there. Okay, so 1 water molecule is already out. देखो, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, they have already formed 1 water. Now we are left behind with 2 sodium, Na2, 1 carbon and 2 oxygen here, and this 1 oxygen. That is 3 oxygen, है ना. So sodium carbonate, you can check the charges also. 1 sodium has +1, so 2 sodium ions +2. 1 carbonate is -2. Easy, not difficult. Okay. So if you ever get stuck in writing the formula, so you can just recheck that. easy है, this is not difficult at all. So guys, one more thing I would like to tell you now, again, as just I told you that the sale is active now, 50% off on all the courses. This is the last day to join. Okay, yes, and we have had a lot of enrollments in this past 1 week. So if in case you were waiting, then abhi this right now is a apt opportunity, because 11:59 p.m. tak it's still available for just 750 rupees. I will show you, link you will get in the description box of this video. This is the video that we are attending right now. We will like the video first, ठीक है, then we will go in the description box. यहाँ पर देखो, this link is for Vedantu mega scholarship admission test, the thing that I told you in the beginning of the session, ठीक है. उसके बाद this course I am talking about, CBSE term 1 crash, you tap on the very first link, okay, and that is actually, oh my god, available for 750 rupees, and this is for all the subjects. ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स मैं बता देती हूँ. यू हैव इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, social studies, physics, chemistry and biology. 6 subjects you are getting, unlimited live classes, and the surprise element is that even the classic subscription is available for the same price. But you are also getting a doubt solving application. So this is the time, because exam ke paas hi you get plenty of doubts, isn't it? So you be like, yes ma'am, I have gathered so many doubts. Then you know what happens, you start ignoring them because they bother you and you don't get a resolution anywhere. So you just tell yourself, अरे कोई बात नहीं. Then you start making adjustments that you should not do. So uske liye classic is also available at the same price, 91% off. You can see that's like the best deal ever I have seen on Vedantu so far, because I've been teaching for quite a long time now. So I'm like, oh wow, that's amazing. So if it is available at a cheaper rate, that doesn't mean that we are compromising with the quality of the material that we are providing you, or the quality of classes. It still remains the same. Live interactive online classes you are getting. You get the recorded sections also, because exams are approaching. If in case you want to just go back and watch a session, watch it on 1.5x, that will save your time. Test series and analysis, you will get everything. You get handwritten notes by the teachers. Assignments and notes would be available. Doubt solving during the live sessions as well as after the session on the mobile application. So coupon code ma'am has already applied. देखो, this is SKA Pro, already applied there. So it is available for 1500. Tomorrow when I will tell you about the same, I will ask you to get it enroll for 1500 rupees. So I'm gonna apply a coupon code SKAPRO, easy, 750. Okay, so you have to tap on buy complete course. You save 750 with this coupon. Wow, 750. Okay, so you get all the benefits. And yeah, again just reminding you, this is the last time. And if you don't want it for term 1 crash, तो आप सिंपल टर्म 2 के लिए भी कर सकते हो. इफ यू वांट द एनरोलमेंट फॉर टर्म 2, दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल एट, ओ गॉड, सो गाइज, डू यू सी दैट? आई हैव नेवर सीन लाइक such low prices ever here. So you see, try for 15 days for 650 rupees and you get 15 days extra. मतलब it's like 30 days का subscription is available at 650 rupees till 11:59 p.m. today only. Grab this, I'm just telling you, that's the best you will see. Okay, so 650 again, 15 days के साथ you get 15 days free. Okay, so that depends on you. Term 1 के लिए करना है कि term 2 के लिए. We are giving you for both of them. Similarly, you have other options of classic. 850 में doubt solving app. 1200 में you are getting the plus subscription with a personal mentor. Wow! It's like only I just have one word for it, and that's like really wow. So you get all the benefits, okay, that all the regular pro students are getting. The prices are quite low, like the lowest ever. And coupon code ma'am has given you, Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro, that is SKA Pro. ठीक है, चलो, so let's continue to our next question. Which of the following metal comes below copper in reactivity series, zinc, iron, silver या aluminium. Yes, below copper in reactivity series. Respect beta for all the classes, this is available at the low price. ठीक है, 10th class, 9th class, any course. Yes, all the best. Yes, all the best, Vimla. You are having your Tamil board exam tomorrow. All the very best, guys, to all those students who have their minors starting from tomorrow. Okay, my best wishes are here with you. Just have a good sleep, okay, and take good plenty amount of rest. That is important. Okay. Yes, silver, guys, that's so easy. Silver lies below copper in reactivity series. You should remember that. Okay. Yes. 8th question. Which of the following reaction is an example of a displacement reaction involving the non-metals? You have, so we are talking about the non-metals. ये तो बहुत आसान है. And displacement reaction. So first one is not a displacement reaction. That is a precipitation, like DD reaction. है ना? Precipitation. This barium sulfate की white PPT are formed. Second is a displacement reaction but of metals. Iron is a metal, more reactive or less reactive than zinc? Less. Yes. Is this reaction possible? I am asking you a question. क्या ये reaction possible है? The second one. Can iron displace zinc? Yes. Hi Jayesh. Let me know the answer right now in the chat box. No, that's not possible. इसीलिए galvanization हम करते हैं. You remember iron, whenever it gets rusted, then one of the prevention method is to make a coating of zinc. Zinc is actually more reactive than iron, slightly more reactive. So it forms zinc oxide layer on the surface. That is how iron is protected. Galvanization. This is not impossible in this for metals. The next one, yes, it is displacement but of the metals. The last one reaction, if you see, देखो, Cl was present as it is. Chlorine was isolated. Now what happened after the reaction? Bromine is out now. So that means chlorine has displaced bromine. Chlorine would be more reactive than bromine. Yes. And that is a displacement reaction of non-metals. Now ma'am is giving you a homework question. Note it down. The homework question is that you have to write reactivity series for non-metals in the comment section. Reactivity series for non-metals in the comment section. Let's see who is gonna give me the right answer. Okay. Yes, you can do that. Yes, Vishu, I was on leave, now I am back. I will come up with ICSC ka session also. ठीक है? Yes, don't worry. Yes. Rancidity of food can be prevented by refrigeration, addition of antioxidants, storing food containers in airtight containers. All of these is the answer. Rancidity mein what happens? That is the oxidation of your fatty oily food, and that can be prevented by all of these. You basically have to cut off the supply of oxygen. है ना? Yes. Okay, very good. Easy. Yes. Yeah. Like metals such as gold and platinum do not corrode because why? They are unreactive noble metals. They are placed very low in the reactivity series. They do not undergo aerial oxidation. Aerial oxidation मतलब they do not react with oxygen even at high temperature. जैसे आपने gold लिया, even at high temperature it will not be reacting. ठीक है? You take platinum, doesn't react. Yes, Vishu, we have completed semester 2nd का भी syllabus बेटा. Yes, carbon-anise compounds has already been done on the channel. Okay, by me only, so you can check that out. Yes. Very good. Next question. An oxidizing agent is a substance which, yes, tell me. Yes, Adarsh, gold reacts with aqua regia. Yeah. Aqua regia के साथ it do react, royal water. Oxidizing agent is a substance which loses oxygen, gains hydrogen, gains oxygen. I see mixed answers in the chat box. A, D. Yes, study, you have to tell in the comment section, then I will check, okay? बोथ ए एंड बी. देखो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट का क्या मतलब है. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट मीन्स वी आर, देखो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इज दैट स्पीशीज विच विल बी रिड्यूस्ड इटसेल्फ. The species which undergoes reduction is the oxidizing agent. When I say oxidizing agent, इसका क्या मतलब होता है. इसका मतलब it oxidizes the other species. Other species is oxidized by it and it is itself reduced. If I am an oxidizing agent, that means I will oxidize you and I will reduce myself. And how can I oxidize the other species? Either by donating the oxygen. If I want to oxidize you, then I have to give you oxygen, or I can take away your hydrogen. These are the two things that I can do. If I repeat, if I am an oxidizing agent, that means I work for you. I would be oxidizing you and I will be reduced myself. How can I oxidize you? By giving you oxygen, that is the first way, or by taking away your hydrogen. These are the two ways, है ना. So that is why the answer would be oxidizing agent would be losing oxygen. मतलब it gives its oxygen to some other species. It also gains hydrogen. मतलब if you have hydrogen, I will take away your hydrogen and help you to get oxidized. Are we clear on this? Yes, in the chat box, are we clear on this? Yes, so answer would be both A and B. Similarly, you have to do the reducing agent also. Okay, and reducing agent mein what happens? Just in the same way, reducing agent will reduce the other species. Other species is reduced by it and it will itself be oxidized. Other species is reduced by it. And how can I reduce the other species? How can I reduce the other species? Tell me, if I want to reduce you, how can I do that? Think about it. Yes, you can relate. Very good. Gain, ulta kar do. Gain oxygen. Yes, if I want to reduce you, I will take away your oxygen. I will snatch your oxygen from you. Or if I have hydrogen, I can give it to you. Okay, or by losing the hydrogen. Gain oxygen or lose hydrogen. Yes, think about it. Easy है, ठीक है. You just have to pay attention to it. Agents are very easy. Okay, just think in that way. Just you need some slight focus over there, then it would be easier. Yeah. The assertion reason, guys, try to do it and tell me the answer in the live chat right now. Assertion says that metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium are never found in free state in nature. Free state, you understand, in the isolated state. Matlab like this. This is sodium metal and it's available in free state in nature. It is not combined with any other element. ठीक है, अकेला present है in the free state. Reason says that metals are very reactive elements. So it combines with other non-metals to complete its octet. I see a lot of A in the chat box. Okay, yes. Okay. Hi Mudit, how are you? Ma'am is good, thank you so much. So Hannah, we have like 18 questions in the session. Thank you, Aqua. Hanji. Okay, so beta dekho, yes, the reason is correct here. Metals like sodium, let's say I am just showing you a picture of sodium. Okay? Yes. So sodium, if you write the configuration, that is 281. Do you think sodium is in a stable state? Why sodium is so reactive? Because sodium is on the verge of getting an octet. I have told you a lot number of times. Verge you understand. So it's like, ma'am, just one electron sodium needs to lose. So it's highly reactive. It just wants to bumps into any other atom and just lose out its electron. Okay. So sodium is very much reactive. The same happens. You take the example of calcium. It has 2 valence electrons. It just wants to get rid of it. You take magnesium as an example, potassium. So they are never found in the reactive, in the free state. The reason is that because they have always their eyes on completing the octet. So how sodium is existing in nature? In the form of rock salt. That is the ore of sodium. Rock salt, you are extracting it from seawater because in this form its octet is completed. Sodium has given its one electron to Cl and made a cation. Okay, so metals are very reactive, so they combine with other non-metals to complete the octet and exist in the combined form. Okay, they exist in the combined state. So option number A is the right answer. Okay, yes, very good, very good. Okay, the next question assertion says that sodium displaces copper from its salt solution. Okay, reason: reactive metal can displace less reactive metal from their compounds in solution as molten form. Okay, इसको change कर लो थोड़ा सा. I'm changing it. Reason says that less reactive metal can displace more reactive metal from their compounds in the molten state. Okay. हाँ जी, बताओ. Sodium displaces copper from the salt solution. Then reason I have changed: less reactive metal can displace more reactive metal. Yes, what would be the answer if I change it this way? Option number C. Very good. Yes, exactly. So if you see sodium is more reactive than copper, it can definitely displace it from its salt solution. Now less reactive metal nahi, because sodium is more reactive than that, है ना? That would be option number C, easy peasy. Okay, so now the last one is a case-based question. So guys, you have to do a lot of case-based study question, because the more you practice, the less it is. Okay, this is what we say about the assertion reason, the case-based question basically. So if I see this case, then I see a lot of theory. And some, like if metal A displaces another metal B, that's a very generic thing that they have given. Okay, so it's all about the displacement reaction. I can understand from this passage only. So I would like to go and see the questions. See, it's all based on the reactivity series. I'm going to the question number 14th. Based on that case based, matlab it's related to reactivity series only. Which of the following is the correct arrangement of the given metals in descending order of the reactivity? बहुत आसान है. If you remember the reactivity series, you know the answer. So guys, one more thing. I hope that your maths is fine, that you can understand descending, ascending. ठीक है, sometimes we also get confused, यार what is ascending order, and options में दोनों मिलेंगे, है ना? So you have to read that. Descending order का मतलब most reactive to least reactive. Yes, option number D is right. Sodium is most reactive. You can just do it like that also. देखो, sodium reacts with cold water, है ना, reacts very vigorously. Magnesium reacts with hot water, तो ये कम reactive होगा. Zinc reacts with steam. Iron also reacts with steam, but in galvanization we do a coating of zinc on iron because zinc is more reactive than iron. So if in case you forget, you can do that. Yes. Okay. Yes, easy peasy. Yes, the next one. Which of the following metals does not react with cold as well as hot water? Yes, tell me. Yes, Suhana, we will do that. D for Dinchak Puja. Okay. Does not react with cold as well as... Then iron reacts with what form of water? Can iron react with water? Yes. Yeah, it will react with steam water. है ना? And you know Fe3O4 बनता है for prolonged heating. है ना? Yes. Very good. Guys, you are like so smart. Your preparation is going on good, I hope. Yeah, that's visible although today, but yeah. The next 16th one. Which of the following 4 metals would be displaced from the solution of its salts by the other 3 metals? Easy peasy. Yes. Okay, Adarsh, you need to do a lot of practice for maths, beta. It's not that your maths is weak. It's just that you need to give it more time. You need to do more practice. Okay? Yeah. Hanji. Okay. So which of these 4 metals... what is the question? Which one of the following 4 metals would be displaced from solution of its salts by the other 3 metals? Matlab we have to report the least reactive metal. है ना, because only a least reactive metal can be displaced by all the other three metals given in the option from the solution of its salt. So if I see silver, I can spot. Yes, your AG Anubha Gaur ma'am, AG ma'am, yes. So silver is least reactive here. Magnesium, zinc and copper can displace silver from its salt solution easily, है ना? Yes, okay. Wow, now it's homework time, guys. We have done a lot of questions today, and these are some homework questions that I want you to answer in the comment section. Okay, silver chloride turns black when it gets exposed to sunlight. You better write it gray over here. Select the chemical reaction taking place resulting in the change. Which of the reaction takes place there? Options are given. Okay, so I guess you've read the question. Silver chloride turns gray when it is exposed to sunlight. You have to tell the right answer. Chalo abhi bata do. Yeah, is it D or is it B? Because of decomposition, you are keeping silver chloride in sunlight. In sunlight ki presence mein, it just gets broken down, photo decomposition na, and you would be getting silver which is gray in color. So white to gray color is your observation. No, chlorine is not gray. Chlorine is a yellowish green color ka gas. It's not colorless. Okay, it's yellow green gas. Yeah. Yes, Rama, we will do for ICSE beta, don't worry. Yes. So the next one, in the given experiment on such picture based questions are also important for you. You might get to see a new a question like that where picture is given. Just in sample paper also they have asked a picture based question and that magnesium starts floating. You have to quote the reason. So they can ask about a gas, batao which gas is released and everything. So in this lead nitrate we are heating. Okay, the emission of brown fumes is due to formation of. So this is how you need to take a note of that. Okay, yes. So you will see, acha, equations can be directly asked that tell me if I am heating lead nitrate, then what type of reaction this is. या फिर what is the observation, or you might get it in a complete picture ka format like this. So you don't get confused because answer still remains the same, है ना? So that would be nitrogen dioxide. Yay, NO2. Very good. So I've given you homework question that was to write the reactivity series of the non-metals, and again reminding you that Vedantu Pro courses are available at like 750 rupees for your term 1 ticket till midnight 11:59 p.m. only, and if you want 1 month course for term 2, that is available somewhere around 630 to 650 rupees. Okay, aaj ke liye. So you never know when this EdFest will be back again, and it might get late also, है ना? So now you're having a chance. You can just try that and get enrollment in the new batches, right? And this is Shilpi Mam's coupon code SKA Pro. That is all for today's session. Ma'am will see you next time, and please don't take stress. Okay, just believe yourself. Your preparation is going on great. You need to remind that to you. Okay, you need to remind yourself that please don't compare with any other person, any other friend of yours, okay, any other relative of yours. We all have our different life stories. Okay, we have our different experiences and way of studying. You trust it. Okay, that is your part. Ki you are studying with full honesty. You give your 100% and then you trust yourself. That's all. You don't have to copy any other person, right? If you want to stand out, then you have to do it yourself. Okay, then that would be a different strategy coming out. So just believe yourself, keep on doing a lot of revision, but also look after your health. Okay, ma'am will see you next time with more questions. Take care and bye.